Good morning, students. I am Bhatti Samina. The name of my school is Sri Sahjanan English Medium School, Nathej at Una. I am taking Social Science SS. Today I am taking 7th Standard SS, Chapter number 7. India, location, borders, area, border, area, and a physiography. It's too much interesting lesson. In the 7th class, you also learn this chapter, but from the India, you that is on that chapter write the Gujarat location, borders, area, and physiography. Now we will learn about the India. Okay, so we will start the chapter location, where is the situated, borders and area means how much kilometer and whatever, and the physiography means of the physiography, a systematic description of the natural in general, means it's not possible man-made is making, that is given by our to nature, means mountains, rivers, plain area, desert, hills, is not a man-made, that is a given by the nature. Okay, the means of physiography. So in this chapter, it's a political of एशिया. एशिया का ये जो मैप है वो पॉलिटिकल मैप है एशिया की, यानी पॉलिटिकल मैप्स अबाउट द बॉर्डर एंड कंट्रीज, all the countries and the borders of countries there. So you will be given the information about our country. First of all, I will show you it's a Tropic of Cancer is passed in our Gujarat. Tropic of Cancer is passed east to west, from east to west, from Mizoram to east to west from Mizoram to Gujarat. It's a Tropic of Cancer. So in the question is, India lies between 8.4 north latitude to 37 point north latitude, means we are from 8 to 37.6. I will make again. 8 to 37. Okay, so 8.4 latitude to 37.6 latitude we are passed in our India. हमारा इंडिया जो लैटिट्यूड है, जो लैटिट्यूड लाइन है जो पास होती है पूरे ग्लोब पे, तो वो 8.4 लैटिट्यूड नॉर्थ से लेके 37.6 नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड तक का है. ओके, अब यहाँ पे हम लॉन्गिट्यूड देखेंगे. लॉन्गिट्यूड हम 68 से, यानी 68 से लेके 68 दिस लाइन. थोड़ा ड्रॉ करने में बेटा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, लेकिन तुमको समझाने के लिए मैं ड्रॉ करी. 68 टू 97.25. ये जो हम ऐसे वाली जो लाइन लेते हैं ना, ऐसे वाली लाइन, तो ये हमारी 68.7 ईस्ट से लेके 97.25 नॉर्थ तक का है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. ये ईस्ट से स्टार्ट होके नॉर्थ तक का है. वी विल बी सिचुएटेड इनटू लैटिट्यूड एंड द लॉन्गिट्यूड. ओके, इंडिया इज सिचुएटेड, दिस इज एशिया. ओके, तो इंडिया एशिया के कौन से पार्ट में है? साउथ पार्ट में है. ईस्ट, नॉर्थ साउथ एंड ईस्ट वेस्ट. तो इंडिया एशिया के साउथ पार्ट में है. ओके, कैन अंडरस्टूड बेटा? वी आर सिचुएटेड इन द साउथ पार्ट ऑफ एशिया. So from this map we will be given some fill in the blanks are situated in your textbook. We will solve this questions from the textbook. India is in the dash of Asia. तो इंडिया एशिया के कौन से पार्ट में है? इज अ साउथ पार्ट. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डैश इज द ईस्ट, यानी इंडिया के ईस्ट में क्या है. सो आई विल शो यू. हियर इज अ बांग्लादेश एंड सेकेंड कंट्री इज अ म्यांमार. सो बांग्लादेश एंड म्यांमार, इफ यू वांट टू राइट वन बांग्लादेश, इट्स ओके, बिकॉज बांग्लादेश इज अ more than near Myanmar. So in the west side, so we see in the west side is the Arabian Sea. So in the second blank we want to write Arabian Sea. These fill in the blanks you are going to write in your textbook also and in your notebook also. The third question is, dash is in the north. हमारे नॉर्थ में क्या है, तो हमारे नॉर्थ में हिमालयस है. So Himalaya mountains. And the south, in our south part have situated Sri Lanka, the country of Sri Lanka. Okay, and the dash country of the north west, हमारे नॉर्थ वेस्ट में कौन सी कंट्री है. सो अवर नॉर्थ वेस्ट पाकिस्तान. So you want to write this, fill in the blanks in your notebook and the textbook also. I will show this again. I will say, you will take pencil and write it. India is the dash of Asia. So south of the Asia border. Understood? Second is a dash is the east. So Bangladesh and Myanmar, two countries in our east side. Dash is the west. Arabian Sea is our west side. Dash is a north. Himalaya mountain in our north side. Dash is the south. Sri Lanka is our south side. And dash country in the northwest. So write the Pakistan. Now this map I will show. Minimize I will do, because we want to writing lines and it's not possible if it is a big. So this is a political map of India. So first I read this paragraph and then I will explain you. India area. Okay, India extend from Kashmir to north of the Kanyakumari, means north to south. नॉर्थ में कश्मीर है, जम्मू कश्मीर है, साउथ में कन्याकुमारी. इन द साउथ एंड कवर विद द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 3204 किलोमीटर इन द नॉर्थ ऑफ साउथ. अब मैं तुम्हें शो करती हूँ बेटा. In the north means Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we are 3214 kilometer. Okay, from the north. And extreme of the Himachal Pradesh, means from the Arunachal Pradesh to Dwarka is 2933 यानी 2930 किलोमीटर ऑफ द ईस्ट वेस्ट. ईस्ट से लेके वेस्ट तक का 2933 किलोमीटर इससे. सो लैंड एरिया ऑफ इंडिया इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, सो ये जो पूरा लैंड एरिया है अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इंडिया हैज़ 32,87,263 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. हाँ जी, इंडिया इज कंसीडर्ड एज द 7th लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड इन द टर्म ऑफ लैंड एरिया. हम लैंड एरिया के हिसाब से वर्ल्ड के अंदर 7th नंबर आता है हमारी कंट्री 7th नंबर पे आती है. इतनी हमारे पास लैंड प्लेस है. ओके बेटा, तो अब तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये क्वेश्चन आएगा, हु इज द फर्स्ट कंट्री, हु इज द सेकंड कंट्री, इफ यू आर द 7th कंट्री. सो आई विल गिवन द स्मॉल इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द फर्स्ट country is a Russia. In the previous map you will be see Russia is C. Russia is too much huge. Okay, the first name of the Russia, second is a Canada, third is a United States, fourth is a China. I will say only top 10. Okay, fifth is a Brazil, sixth is Australia, seventh is India, and eighth is Argentina, 9th is Kazakhstan, and 10th is Algeria. This is a top 10 of the area, land area. Okay beta. So India taper toward the north and the south is a relatively border in the center. There is a 28 state and 7 union territory in the first chapter. In first capital state of India, New Delhi. Our capital is a New Delhi. Maybe possible it's some changes are coming here because in our assembly one bill is passed on November, approximately on November 2020, one bill was passed about one territory India is more. That means the Ladakh is a increase. So Indian territory may be possible 8. Okay, but in the textbook is not given. So I will given just information. A new bill is was passed in the November 2020. So one union territory will be a more, but in the textbook is not given. Okay. Now make the list of the state and their capital and union territory of India. You want to make the list. When I was send you exercise, then I will mention of this question. This question I will mention for you. Take the list of the state and their capital in union territory. And means आपको state name लिखना है और उसका capital लिखना है. Means अगर गुजरात है तो गांधीनगर, महाराष्ट्र है तो मुंबई. So I will send you in your exercise. Okay बेटा. Now mention the name of the state through which is the Tropic of Cancer passed. यानी हमारी ये जो ये जो मैप है उसमें ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर कौन कौन से स्टेट को पास करता है. वी वांट टू सेइंग ऑफ दिस. सो इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक हैव गिवन द नेम ऑफ द स्टेट्स आर देयर. आई विल से यू. Mizoram, because we will going from the east to west. Mizoram, Tripura, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Tropic of Cancer is passed of these 7 states in our India. Now, what is the physiography? The landform. Here one map is missing in your screen. Okay, but in your textbook the map is situated. Physiography. The landform of India is not a uniform everywhere. On the basis of the variation in the landform, India can be divided into following 5 physiography division. यानी इंडिया में हर जगह पे जो लैंड है वो सेम नहीं है, अलग अलग टाइप की है. कोई जगह पे क्या है, कोई जगह पे क्या है. सो इट्स डिवाइडेड इनटू द 5 पार्ट्स. गुजरात इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 पार्ट्स क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ माउंटेन्स भी हैं, हमारे यहाँ प्लेन एरिया भी है, हमारे यहाँ कोस्टल लाइन भी है, हमारे यहाँ डेजर्ट भी है. सो इट्स टू मच फिजियोग्राफी सिचुएटेड इन अवर इंडिया. दैट इज़ अ 6 टाइप ऑफ द फिजियोग्राफी आर situated in India. They given in here. North Mountain Range, Plain of the North India, Central and Deccan Plateau of India, Coastal Plain, Island and Indian Desert. So these six are we will be explain one by one. Explain one by one. First was a North Mountain Range. The Himalaya in the chain of the 3 mountains is called the Himalaya Mountain Range. It is the highest mountain range in the world. They are 3 division of the North Mountain Range. That is the too much highest mountain in the world. Did you hear the Mount Everest? K2, that is the highest peak, and they are situated in our country. So mountains have to divide it into the 3 parts. Himalaya Mountain Range, Himalayas, Eastern Himalaya or a Parvachal Range. So these 3 are which? They are the 3 distinct in the parallel ranges. The northmost range towards China is known as a Greater Himalaya. The central Himalaya line is a central, okay, and the range toward India is called Shivalik range. Means if the mountain have a 3 type of this, so the given the first one जो name है जो चाइना के नज़दीक है, the given of the Great Himalaya, and जो बीच में है सेंटर में है उसे given the name of the Central. Okay, and the range of the India is called the Shivalik range. This is a Shivalik range. Okay, mountain is situated of this type. So here the given the information about the mountains. ये जो माउंटेन रेंज जो है, we will given the information of this line and then after of this, okay, one by one we will be given the explanation. जो ब्राउन कलर दिख रहा है that is the mountains area, okay बेटा, range of the mountain area. So first is Godwin Austen Peak of India is 8,611 meter high. Did you hear the name of K2? This is the name of the K2. ये जो है इसको K2 भी बोलते हैं हम. Most of students is know about only K2. Okay, this is a K2. तो K2 का दूसरा नाम क्या है? Godwin Austen Peak. Okay बेटा, is situated in Jammu Kashmir. K2 is situated into the Jammu Kashmir. It is lying in the Karakoram range. Okay, there is a Karakoram range. Mount Karakoram range is situated this side. Now second is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is 8,848 kilometer is the highest. Okay, it's situated into border of Nepal and Tibet. Is a situated border of Nepal and Tibet. Okay, नेपाल और तिब्बत के बीचों बीच से है. Is the highest peak in the world which is located in the Himalaya range in the Nepal. Okay, the Himalaya range, Kanchenjunga is 8,518 meter. Is situated in Sikkim. The border of Sikkim is situated here. Okay. The fourth number is Nanda Devi. Nanda Devi is situated in Uttarakhand. Is situated here. Okay. Situated is here. So and last one is Badrinath. Is also in the Uttarakhand. Is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Are the highest peak located in the mountain range of the Himalaya in India. These are the highest mountain range are there. Approximately lots of mountains are situated in our country, but these are the main, so they given in the your textbook. Now the eastern part of the Himalayas mountains, Pitkoi and the Lushai, very high hills from the part of the eastern Himalaya, where is Gora, Khasi, Jaintia and the Naga, the not so high hills from the part of the South Himalaya from the east-west direction. Now the plains of the North India. The plains of the south of the North mountain range are formed by the Aravallis brought by the Himalaya and the Peninsula rivers. They cover the vast area of the North India. That is a vast area of the North area. These are the plain area. These are showing these are the plain area in our country. So that is a too much vast area. The north side have a vast area. Okay, north side have a vast area. बड़ा area है north side में. That is why they are known as the plain of the north. The plain made by the rivers are also so vast that is one of the largest plain in the world formed by the rivers. ये side जो है, there are too much rivers are situated because from the Himalayas the lots of rivers are flowing from here. Due to the vastness of these plains, it is one of the most prosperous and the populated area of India. Prosperous means flourishing of the financially वहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. And the populated area, that is a populated area. This is too much vast area for लिविंग एंड इट्स यहाँ पे यानी छोटे मोटे बिजनेस भी बहुत सारे होते हैं. ओके, Okay, this is a reverse. Too much, I was told in the previous stage, too much rivers are situated in our country because from this the Himalayas, lots of rivers are flowing. So, which are the main rivers are flowing in from Himalaya? Himalaya flowing from, rivers flowing from the Himalayas. The Himalayas are the drained by the 19 major rivers. 19 major rivers, badi 19 rivers are flowing. Okay, which is the famous river are flowing from the Himalayas is Indus and Brahmaputra. So Brahmaputra is situated here and Indus is situated from the Kashmir. It's flowing into Pakistan. Okay, so these are main two rivers, those who are the flowing from the Himalaya. So total of 19 major rivers are flowing from the Himalayas. So here the given of the 2 or 6 blanks are there. I will given the name हिमालय, ब्रह्मपुत्र, गंगेश, गंगा रिवर बोलते हैं ना बेटा, गंगेश, भगीरथी, कोसी, घोघरा. Too much rivers, famous rivers are flowing from Himalayas. ओके, मेजर लेक ऑफ इंडिया, इंडिया के जो मेजर लेक्स हैं, विच आर द फेमस लेक. सो टॉप 10 में से मैं कुछ जो ब्लैंक्स में दिए हैं वो मैं बताती हूँ. बराबर. लेक्स आर वालार लेक, इट्स सिचुएटेड इन जम्मू कश्मीर. Vembanand Lake is a Kerala. Chilika Lake is Orissa. Polycat Lake is Andhra Pradesh. Shivaji Sagar is situated in Maharashtra and Sardar Sarovar in Gujarat. That is the top 7s are there. Top 6 are lakes are there. So we will completed our lesson from here, and in the next lecture we will be start the remaining lesson. So better stay at your home and goodbye and start your study.